Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving right into a critical skill for any team leader or project manager, creating and using a project roadmap in teamwork.com. First up, we're going to create a new project. Click on the plus sign at the top right corner of your dashboard and select Add Project. This is where your roadmap begins. It's the foundation of your project, giving your team a clear direction right from the start. Now that we've done that, it's time to outline the components of your project. Go to the List tab and click on Add a Task List. Here, you can add all the tasks that need to be completed for your project. This helps us because it breaks down the project into manageable pieces, making it easier for your team to tackle. The reason we do this is to ensure that every task is accounted for and nothing slips through the cracks. Plus, it gives your team a clear understanding of their roles and responsibilities. Next up, let's set some milestones. Head over to the Milestones tab and click on Add a Milestone. This is where you can set key target dates for specific tasks. This helps us because setting milestones keeps the project on track and ensures that your team is working towards common goals. Let me explain why this matters. Milestones are not just arbitrary dates. They're pivotal moments in your project that can determine its success or failure. They keep the team focused, motivated, and aware of any looming deadlines. Once you've got your tasks and milestones set, it's time to bring it all together in the Roadmap view. Go to the Roadmap tab to view your project's timeline with all tasks and milestones laid out. This gives you a bird's-eye view of the entire project, making it easier to track progress and identify any potential bottlenecks. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. The Roadmap view translates your project plan into a visual timeline, which can be a powerful tool for managing and communicating your project's progress. And that's it. You've just created and learned how to use a project roadmap in teamwork.com. Remember, the roadmap is a living document that will evolve as your project progresses. So, keep it updated, and it will serve as an invaluable tool for coordinating your team and driving your project to success. Thank you for joining us today. Keep up the great work, and see you in the next tutorial.